All right, Dean, explain this one. It's not your usual bright, flowery colors. It's definitely on the dark side. Give me the understanding of this one.
Well, Lauri, you may remember when we actually traveled to Mexico and we were going into Merida, which is the Yucatan Peninsula, and we passed through these areas of limestone caves and pools. Those pools are called cenotes or cenotes, okay? And you may remember that very dark grotto-like setting before you got into the pool down below. There was this image of sun coming through the hole at the top like an oculus and then pointing down into the water and along the cave. My thought behind this one was to use a different color palette with my flowers, the multi-levels, and the vines that grew in the cenote or in the grotto, plus a moonbeam coming down the water level you can see down below. So that was the idea behind this piece. And I get very positive reactions, and I get some not so positive reactions.
Yeah, one for me.
But I happen to love this piece, and an awful lot of people do. It's for a little darker idea. If you can appreciate having been at a grotto or a cenote, then you would really enjoy this particular piece.